for example?
I truly believe that we don't need more mirrors, but we need to look more at each other. And I think that we need to build a true community where we can build trust and where we can have that authenticity that we tap into because we have only each other to depend on. And how we get rid of that greenwashing is not by holding up a mirror, but by looking at each other and by honestly calling out each other when we feel like we're wrong and when we know there is another way. So one of the initiatives where I think taps into an answer to the question of how we create that new market that relates people, the economy, the environment, it's called Mountain Mamas. This is something that we created. It's a social entrepreneurship where with bioplastic bags, we kept getting the question, well, what alternative are we supposed to use? And being a young woman myself, I saw an opportunity here where we could empower other women in Indonesia and come up with an alternative to the plastic bag. So Mountain Mamas, here's how it works. We empower the local women in a village up in Wanagirikau on the slopes of Mount Batukaru. And we have them make alternative bags from pre-loved materials. So this is where partnerships and collaborations with hotels like the Hilton give us their sheets and their towels that they would otherwise throw to the landfill. We dip dye it in organic dyes, and the women make them into bags. We give the women each bag they make individually, they get paid. 50% of the sales profit go back to the community where the women are from, and this gets put into a budget for three things. Healthcare packages for families, waste management systems that aren't currently set up, and education. So here's a model that's easily replicable around the island of Bali, around the country of Indonesia, where we see women taking lead and moving forward economies, moving forward communities, and bettering the environment. And this is something that I hope to see happen more and more because, again, truly I believe that we can make new markets, and it's already happening. We know the ways, we know what we want. And so I think we have to we have to just be a little bit, we have to think a little bit bigger and encourage each other and be brave enough as business leaders to, just maybe jump into the oblivion a little bit deeper.